Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the operators. So we have learned already about arithmetic, relational and comparative, and the third component of operators is logical operators. So to learn this kind of more concepts, you subscribe my channel and share my channel. And for also, if you wanted to know more about me and myself, my passion, so go to you better go to my blog, and that is called Start Editing Learn the Passion.blogspot.com. So here is the concept of logical operators. So logical operators are used to perform logical operations on a given relational expressions. There are three logical operators. They are and, or, and not. And, or, not. Three kinds of logical operators. So to example for that is here. We are assuming A equals to 97 and B equals to 35. To evaluate logical expressions here, or using the OR keyword, we are defining the OR statement in the Python programming. For example, A is greater than B. We know already that is true. Or A equals to B. Here we are giving two conditions, but it checks only one condition. If one condition satisfied, then it will be printed the first condition's result. If it is false first condition, and it will be printed, it will be go on to second condition and check whether it is true or not, and it will be given the output according to the conditions. So the second part of the logical operator is and that is here also the same procedure. We are giving the two conditions, but here it does not check. Here it checks both the condition. A is greater than B, that is true. A is not equals to B. We know that because A is 97 and B is 35, and for that it printed the false statement. Understand guys? Make it clear and completely easy. So here A is greater than B, we know that is true, and A is not equals to B, and that's why it printed false. And statement is to check both the conditions. Or statement is to check rather the conditions. If one condition true, it will be printed true, otherwise it will be printed false. And statement is to check both the conditions. If one condition is false, it will be printed as false. So the third part of the logical operator is not. Not. The keyword not is defined for the operation in the programming. Not A is greater than B. We know that A is greater than B, but it is printed as false. That is not true, because the not statement itself contains the answer, because it will not going to check any kind of condition. Instead of it will print it this kind of own statement, that is not false. So for that, not statement is being given for not to be check the condition. So these kind to learn more about these kind of concepts, subscribe my channel and share this channel to the entire world, and the world should see how does I work on right programming languages and what the concept and how I understand the concept. So to make learn easy, the channel required for you, the channel requires for the audience. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to visit my blog, and that is Start Editing Learn the Passion.blogspot.com. Link in the description. Go and check it out how I work with the life. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much, and don't forget and be kind enough guys to like and wants to see the comment in there. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you guys.